Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You're watching FR Photography and Films. Today I'm going to show you how we can use light streaks in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So what we can do is for a new project we go to File, New Project. The shortcut is Control Alt N. Alright, now we click it. When we click it, the new dialog box appear of the new project saying name. You have to name the project whatever you want to. Mine is light streaks. All right, the folder, the location where you want to save your file or project is, you can go to browse and select the folder you want to save the project in. Then you have to just click OK. So when you click OK, this kind of interface comes up, and after that what you can do is this is the timeline and this is the main interface of the Premiere Pro project. So I've already downloaded few video clips. Let me drag and drop it over here. Please make sure when you see the plus copy button, plus copy sign over here, only then you can drop it like it's hot. All right, so here we go. We have imported few video clips and let's get started on this one. All right, let me fix this one for myself. Okay, these are three video clips that are currently being imported in the timeline. Now what we can do is how we can use the light streak. What light streak is? Light streak is basically a video file which you want to give it a soothing look. All right, this is a kind of flare effect, a kind of fire thingy you can say. Let me just drag and crop it like it's fix the. All right, now what we can do is we can go to the effect panel by selecting the make sure that you the file you're working on is selected. So basically this one is my video file, this one is my video file, and this one is my video file. These three videos which I imported it. This is the video file, this is its audio file, this is the video file, and this is its audio file. Above one is the video, as you can see over here is v1, v2, v3. These are the panels, these are the rows in which you can import any video files, and if it has any audio, it will automatically be added in the audio section. This is the A1, A2, A3 is the audio section. If you want to remove the audio, you can highlight it, select it. Now right click it and unlink it, and then highlight again and then delete it. Press delete button on your keyboard. Now the second part, as you can see, this video, this one video. All right, this video is not shown, but the above video is shown because the above video is on the above layer. So what we can do is we can just go to the blending mode over here. As you can see, we are in effect control panel. Make sure you select this video playback selected, the video which we are working on. This is the effect video. It's basically on the top of the video footage. These are the video footage 1, footage 2, footage 3, and this one is the effects video. This itself is a video. Now what we can do is we go to blend mode. Now click screen. All right, this is the screen. Now see the effect. Let me show you. Looks amazing, right? Yeah, yes, it's giving amazing look, fantastic look, just by dropping it onto the other footages. And the blend mode is the screen. As you can see, it's giving amazing effect. So basically this tutorial was to show you how you can change the colors and the lightings by just adding a video top layer of any video. Alright, if you guys like this video, please subscribe to my channel for the next upcoming tutorials and any kind of photography and videography related videos. Thank you so much.